Burabay National Park takes its name from the lake in the town nearby. Wild nature in a mosaic of hills, steppes, forests and lakes stretches for 835 square kilometers. The Burabay National Park is the favorite destination for people coming from Astana, who come here to spend weekends and short vacations, and here you can have fun with many activities. The best way to enjoy this wild nature is horse riding. Yerzhan Ilyasov takes tourists horse riding with his young son Alan and tells us that everyone can ride a horse after a short explanation lasting just 10 minutes. Tourists appreciate the fresh air and being in contact with an extraordinary beauty. The lake, the mountain, nature, riding a horse. In Burabay Park, there are 757 species of plants, and thanks to this diversity, the fauna is really abundant.